After a grueling ride here and a chunk of hours on the bikes, time to be nice, time to be kind, see if we can run them into Honda, get them all serviced and fixed up, ready for the next round. Do you want to experience, explore and travel Vietnam from the comfort of your home? Click subscribe, join our tribe. So we found Honda, we've dropped the bikes off, think we've organised for a full service, brake check, everything like that, but reality is we have no idea. I spoke about half a dozen words, Google translated a few, and in the end they took my name, number, said they'll give us a call when it's ready. So, fingers crossed, we'll find out when we get back later today.
Well, that was crazy quick. We dropped the bikes off, we went for a walk around the block, found a Vietel, sorted out some things, and on the way back we walked past Honda and the bikes were done. Yeah, yep. That was awesome. So we figured while they now feel good, we're going to make them look good. So they're having a wash while we have a coffee.
Looking good. So as Tar said, that was done crazy quick. I'll admit there was a little bit lost in translation. I was trying to get a full service done, so I wanted air filters, spark plugs, maybe even some adjustment on my gear shift lever, things like that. But long story short, we ended up with engine oil changes on both bikes and brakes checked on both bikes. And we had to get Tasha's tail light fixed. The tail light was working sweet. It was the brake light wasn't coming up when you applied the brakes. And yeah, I don't think you want to be driving in Vietnam without a brake light. Not for the length of time we're talking about riding around anyway. So they got all that sorted, all fixed. 180,000 dong for both bikes. So not each, it's both bikes. You know, we can't even buy oil for that price back home. And this was a legit Honda dealership, their service department. So it wasn't, you know, your little street mechanic or whatever. I'm not sure if they're cheaper or not, but Honda are charging 180,000 dong to use Honda oil in our Honda Waves. Like, that is crazy cheap.
Yeah, we even had the manager in there sorting out the brake light, which was really cool.
Yeah, yeah, that's insane. So air filters, spark plugs, I still want to get those done. Whether we'll go back to the same Honda while we're here in Dalat, or we'll wait till we get to the next Honda dealership on our next trip. We're not sure yet. We're going to use the bikes this week for a few excursions, so we'll try them out, see how we go from there. But yeah, so far so good. No complaints with the bikes.
Not at all.
Oh, you're pushing your bike, bro.
I'm being nice, bro.
Oh.
It's just been cleaned. I don't want it to get dirty.